While many places may be collecting food and clothing donations, one local charity is offering a unique shopping experience for those looking to add something new to their homes.
Buying building supplies and furniture may not be your go-to shopping trip, but it could help make a difference when you shop. Habitat for Humanity ReStores are home and building supply stores that accept and resell new and gently used building materials at a discounted price. Consumers can find items such as doors, paint, furniture, and appliances. The funds they receive from these items are put towards funding local Habitat for Humanity building projects.
The piece of the selling in the store and taking donations is one piece. The other is that we're keeping things out of the landfill. We're taking items that another retail place has not found a way to sell, and we are finding that buyer that is not typical by offering them the product at a lot less cost.
ReStores accept donations from the general public and businesses. For more information on how you can donate, volunteer, or to find a ReStore near you, go online to their website, hfh.org.